In today's class, we'll be discussing about the navigation icons. So, first let me list everything. Use the shortcuts W to move forward, S for backward, A to move left, and T to move right. To look up, Q, move down, E, and remember guys, all these navigation keys will help you to move in a normal speed. And if you want to move fast, click Shift plus use the navigation keys. Hold Shift and your navigation key simultaneously to move faster. And if you want to use the maximum speed, click Shift plus space bar plus your navigation key like W, A, S or T for the fastest move. And if you want to move slower, use space bar. Also guys, you can even use direction keys like your up, down, left and right arrow keys for the navigation. The left arrow key to move left, right arrow key to move right, upper arrow key to move front and lower arrow key to move backwards. And also another option is use your mouse buttons. Hold your middle mouse button and move it or scroll it front and back to move front and backwards. And also guys, use your right arrow key to pan left, right, up or down. This is similar to orbiting around the space. Now, let's place few objects and explore the navigation keys. I'll go to outdoor object by double clicking on this and let's place few buildings over here. I'll click only once to place this object and you may find it occurring again and again. To avoid this, click escape key. Now let's place few trees also. And now let's explore the navigation keys. As I said before, you'll have to use the W key to move forward, S to move backward, A for leftwards and D rightwards, Q for up, E for down. And watch carefully guys, if you hold shift key and click W, it will move faster. Let me come back to this again. Now I'm clicking only the W key and it's moving slowly in a normal speed. Now I'm using shift key to move faster. Now I hold shift key plus space bar plus W to move the fastest move. W normal speed, shift faster, space bar fastest, and if you use only the space bar, it will move very slowly. Now, if I use the left arrow key, it again moves leftwards, right arrow key for rightwards, up arrow key to move front, and down arrow key to move backwards. Let's explore the mouse keys. So I'm scrolling my mouse inwards to move forward and outwards to move backwards. And can you notice the inverted C icons over here? And this is known as mouse pointers. Guys, listen carefully that the navigation key works in a way that wherever this mouse pointer is, it will move forward facing that. So if I use the W, you may see that my navigation is moving forward to the pointer. So I'll click the right arrow key, right mouse button and place my pointer on the tree. Now if I use my navigation key, the scrolling button inwards or outwards, let my cursor be anywhere in the screen. It will move only where the pointer is placed. Coming to the camera movements, you can use your right mouse key and orbit through the space. Turn your mouse leftwards, rightwards, upwards and downwards for orbiting through the space. Guys, I want you all to use these navigation tools very well because in Lumion, these navigations are really important throughout your classes. And I want you all to get very expertise in this.